If you've been hammering push-ups and your chest still looks flat, then hear this. The problem isn't your effort, it's your technique. Most men think push-ups automatically build chest size. They don't, not unless you do them the right way. For the next 5 minutes, you'll learn the small changes that turn every push-up into actual chest-building power, the kind of strength you feel and everyone else sees. By the end, you'll know why your push-ups aren't growing your chest, the mistakes draining your progress, and the simple fix that forces real chest activation. Because this isn't about doing more reps, it's about doing reps that actually matter. That's the whole philosophy here. Train with intention, not noise. Step 1. Fix your hand position. Hands under your shoulders equals tricep workout. Hands slightly wider and slightly lower equals chest workout. That slight shift changes everything. Better stretch, better tension, better growth. Step 2. Use full depth. Half reps build half results. Your chest needs a deep stretch to grow. Drop lower, control the bottom. Feel the tension. That's where the real work happens. Step 3. Straighten your body. If your hips rise, your shoulders take the load. If your hips drop, your lower back takes it. Chest only grows when your entire body stays in one strong line. Core tight, glutes tight, posture locked in. That's real control. Step 4. Slow your reps down. Fast reps don't build muscle. They build ego. Slow reps build muscle. 3 seconds down. 1 second pause. Explosive push. You'll feel every inch of the movement. And that's exactly what you want. Here are common mistakes I see dudes make all the time. Mistake 1. Elbows flaring out. Wild elbows destroy form and kill chest activation. Keep them at a natural angle, powerful and controlled. Mistake 2. Frozen shoulders. If your shoulder blades don't move, your chest can't finish the rep. Push through the top. Let your shoulder blades separate. Finish the rep clean. Mistake 3. Doing the same reps every day. Your body adapts fast. If nothing changes, nothing grows. Increase the difficulty. Try feet-elevated push-ups. Try slow negatives. Try adding weight to your back. Progression is non-negotiable. Here are some key things to avoid if you actually want to see results. Wrong. Hands too high. Right. Hands level with your mid-chest. Wrong. Hips sagging or rising. Right. Strong, straight body line. Wrong. Stopping halfway up. Right. Deep controlled range with full tension. Wrong. Flared elbows. Right. Natural angle that loads the chest. Simple corrections. Massive difference. Here's the 7-day chest activation reset. Day 1 to 2. 20 slow push-ups. 3 seconds down. 1 second pause. Perfect form. Day 3 to 4. Feet elevated push-ups. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Day 5. Wide push-ups. 3 sets of 10. Full stretch. Day 6. Pause reps. 2 second hold at the bottom. 8, 12 clean reps. Day 7. Record your form. Fix everything that's off. Adjust. Level up. You'll feel the difference immediately. Your chest will finally activate the way it's supposed to. Your push-ups will stop being busy work and start becoming real training. If you want more breakdowns like this, hit subscribe and stay committed. This is a movement for men who train with intention, not for show, but to actually become stronger than yesterday.